This is the journey to one Africa. Hey everybody, this is Mika and welcome back to SNOA. Guys, if you're new to this family, please do not hesitate to subscribe, turn on the notification button. You can follow us on social media, X, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Swahili Nation, Mika Chavala. It's gonna be amazing. But also guys, another exciting thing is that we have products here on Swahili Nation YouTube account. So please check it out, the links and all the products down there. And if you buy, that's one of the ways you can support us. Or you can use PayPal, you can use Patreon, you can join membership here at SNOA, or you can use Super Chat, Super Thanks. All of this, it's gonna be amazing. And this is one of the ways that you guys support us. As you can see, finally back to Africa and finally back to my studio. And finally doing video. It has been a long time for me doing a video like this. You have to know that this has to be something very important and not any other thing. That let me begin by saying Happy New Year to Ethiopia, to Eritrea. Guys, if you do not know, September 11th, it is the new year for Ethiopians and Eritreans. You know, Ethiopian and Eritreans, they're using actually a different kind of calendar. So right now in Ethiopia, let me just make sure that this is right. Ethiopia's new year. Let me see, which year is this? No. The year they wrote, it's not 2024. I know it's different. Is this like 2017 today, or it's not 2024, guys? I know it's different. So please help me out, guys, know in the comment section which date is this. This is is that it has to be like yeah, it's 2017. No, it's 2017 right now in Ethiopia. So happy new year to Ethiopia and Eritrea. We know we have a huge number of people from Ethiopia and Eritrea who are supporting us all across the world. And also Ethiopia, Eritrea is Africa, is one Africa. So we and these are only two countries that have a different kind of like new year compared to the rest of other African countries. So basically you have 2 years in Swahili Nation. We have like January 1st and now September 11th. These are 2 times that we're gonna be celebrating New Year. So New Year's, happy to you guys. I sent my wishes to you guys on my social medias as well, and I just want to read that a little bit and dive into what I want to say about this new year 2017 to Ethiopians and Eritreans and Ethiopians. So a while ago I tweeted something and I wrote Happy New Year to Ethiopia and Eritrea. May this new year bring even more peace, unity, and new beginning for your nations. And may it lead to prosperity, not only for your countries, but also for the entire continent of Africa. Hashtag Happy New Year. All right. So I'll break down this message. Why my message for this new year to Ethiopian and Eritreans is to bring this new year to bring even more peace. Why? Because there is a tension between Ethiopia and Eritrea as well. You know, I came here a couple of weeks ago and I read the news about Ethiopian Airlines stopping, actually being suspended to go to Eritrea, so they're not flying no more there. Basically, there's a tension there happening. So may this new year, you know, new year is like, it means the beginning of something new. It's horizon, right? So when we're talking about, we hope this new year bring more peace between these two nations, because it is a new year, it is a new start. New year is the time that you actually do a reflection of where you've been, where you are, and where you want to go, right? Where you've been, perhaps you've been in a dark place. Where you are, perhaps you're still kind of like in the middle place. Where you want to be in the lighter place. All right, so this is the time of reflection, this is the time of resolution, and this is the time of commitment that, okay, this is where we came from, this is where we are, and this is where we want to go. We want to go to a better place, want to be in the better place. So this is my wish, and this is my prayer, and this is my ask, that this new year, it will bring more peace between these two nations. These are very great nations. These are very nations that are known each other very well. These are nations that basically it was one country in the past, you know what I'm saying? So this is very important for the people, especially in the continent, and those who are outside of the continent as well, that we're one people And we hope this new year, it's going to bring the new energy of peace between our nations. Unity, very important for our continent. And that is for that very purpose, Swahili Nation exists. For that very purpose, we exist. For that very purpose, these YouTube and all the online channels we have exist for that very purpose. Unity, one Africa. We want the unity for the Ethiopian people, Eritrean people. I didn't agree with that basically one. Ethiopian people want unity for them. This is very important for the prosperity of the nation. With everything that is happening right now, the tensions between Somalia and Ethiopia, Egypt and Ethiopia, Eritrea and Ethiopia, all these tensions that are going around, this country, only unity can help us to survive and to sustain. So unity within the country to protect the country, and unity within the continent to protect each other. It is very important because this is the bigger picture that I always talk about, right? I released a video the other day about what the message of the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, what he's saying, that anybody who is going to threat the sovereignty of the country, they're not going to stay silent. And I understand, because this is about protecting the sovereignty of certain country in every single country. So unity within the country is very important to protect that. But also in a larger picture and bigger picture, unity within the continent. It is very important for us to protect our continent together as one people, because that is the only way for us to conquer. But also I say new beginning for your nations. Why new beginning? It is because New Year is the time for that, for the new beginning. The matter of fact, not only New Year, every single day is supposed to be a new beginning. Yes, you started yesterday, but you should not dwell on what happened yesterday. Today you start fresh. You start as if nothing has happened. You commit yourself 100% fully to make sure that things start happening from today. So today is the new beginning. Today is the new start. Today is the new phase. Today is horizon, the beginning of something new. So this new year, I hope, my wish and prayer is that it will start as something new begin in the country. And then as I end, may it lead to prosperity, not only for your countries, but also for the entire continent of Africa. Prosperity is why? Because peace, unity, and new beginning, these are things that can actually push us forward to some other place, push us forward to somewhere new, push us forward to achieve about prosperities we want for our countries and for our people. Because we care nothing about politics as long as our lives are secured, as long as the price of the commodities are low, as long as our economy of the countries keep prospering and growing. That's what the common mananchi like me and everybody else we want for our people and for our country. So prosperity for your countries, Ethiopia, Eritrea, and ultimately for the continent of Africa. Guys, this is the only thing we need, and this is what we want for our countries and for our people. So once again, Happy New Year, Ethiopia. All Africans, inside and outside of the continent, I would love to see, man, your wishes in the comment section, but also love to hear your wishes from Ethiopians. What are your wishes, for this new year? All right, what are your wishes, Eritreans, for this new year? What are your wishes? What kind of wishes are you having for your country, basically? Let's say for your personal life, for your family, for your country, for your nation, for the continent of Africa. What are your wishes? This is the time to share our wishes and to pray for them, because we can definitely see the changes, if we put our mind into it and work hard for it. So that is my prayer. So Ethiopia, we celebrate with you. Eritrea, we celebrate with you. Thank you guys for being there. Thank you guys for being part of our family. Thank you guys for being a family. And hopefully I will come back, maybe do a live stream. It's been a while doing that, at least to celebrate and talk a little bit about what is happening. But I celebrate you guys. I love you, and I'll see you very soon. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.